Time to start your data science journey the right way by learning to share your Jupyter Notebooks cleanly on GitHub. The first step, remove Jupyter Notebook outputs to avoid a repository clutter by saving a clean copy. Output cells will make it harder to track changes as the notebook evolves. In your Jupyter Notebook, navigate to the File menu and choose Save and Export Notebook as to create a copy with a clean slate. This helps keep version control easier. Begin the process by initializing your Git repository, and then add all your notebooks. Be careful not to add things you shouldn't, which is usually the result of default behavior. Create a gitignore file in your project's root directory. It configures Git's behavior and specifies which files to omit. Add extensions such as IPYNB_checkpoints and other system-generated files to keep your repository concise and focused on the core code and insights. Now, commit your changes with a message conveying the performed actions. A clear message is very useful for collaborators. You are now ready to share your cleaned notebooks by uploading your project to GitHub, and the world is ready to analyze your work.